All right, so we'll do another walk around. So it has a real brake that holds the machine in place. Press that down, locks both wheels. That's a nice feature. Up on the dash, you got the pump for the sprayer. You got the three controls, right, middle, left. That means you can control it to how you want to spray. Full booms or partial, right or left or middle. Uh, you get your pressure gauge. This is your lock for your side deflector. Your diffuser, if you want to go left or right with your material. Your hose is right there on the right side versus the left side. And pulling it over, it's already on the right side. Most people are right-handed, they spray on the right. There's a huge pump on this side. They're using real clamps all the way around. You have a good vision right here to see when you're lined up and to do your wheel locks to lock your two front casters. That's good vision. This right here is the hydraulic lever that goes into the wheel. This little hole to lock those front casters. There's one on each side. And that's really just the push of a button up on your dash. No more like stomping your foot down to try to smash it in. The engine is a Kawasaki FX730V. I'm not sure how many horsepower it is. Probably looks like at least 16, 18 horsepower. Pump. Nice heavy duty pump. Easy to get to. And then this is your right and left control for the tank. Top is the left. Left off, left on. And then on the other side is the controls for the right. Right on, right off. Pretty simple, easy. Right hand, left hand. Here's your hose reel. Looks like there's about 50 feet of hose on that with definitely a more upgraded hand crank than some of the other ones I've used from other manufacturers, which were super plasticky. That's a pretty heavy duty handle. Tires are 22-inch by 11 for hopping curbs, going over stumps.